Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here over Baratza Vario, and this machine was brought in because it wasn't grinding and it was missing this little tiny lever. So we ordered the replacement, and to see what was wrong we had to dig deep inside and we found this. I don't know if you can see, those are some burnt up resistors, and that's the reason for no power being able to turn the motor. So we replaced this power board and now everything is functioning as it should. Let's give it a go. I could turn the power on, that would help. There we go. There it is. Little empty container in here. Do the manual grind and got it set with Espresso right here, so it's pretty fine on the macro adjustment. Yeah. Gobbled it up. Alright. Looking good. Alright, well, there you have it. Baratza Vario functioning once again, and thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos.